Hello, everyone. My name is Xenia, and I will start with a story. I wanted to meet Prince and Beth. They're residents of the Low Income Housing Institute and are about to start a family. Prince will soon get his coding certificate and find a job, but right now they don't really have resources to furnish their first home, their new home, and they are in a very urgent need. So our team put the set of furniture together and delivered them everything they needed, everything they had on the list. And a week later, they welcomed a healthy baby boy. How did we get here? I wanted to meet Liz. Liz is an HR professional by day and environmentally conscious mother by night. Liz was so happy to find us as she was trying to get rid of this baby crib, a few chairs, and other items because no one on her Buy Nothing group wanted them, and we were her last resort before heading to the landfill. Meanwhile, our crew was at the dump, redirecting cars with furniture and literally saving couches and sofas from being trashed, from being dumped at the transfer station. And then all that furniture ended in our workshop. And then our volunteers started to work on these items. We taught groups and groups on how to reupholster items, how to sand, how to paint, and even put sets of furniture together. And we literally introduced the furniture restoration skill to people who had zero restoration experience, maybe 10% did IKEA assembly before that. This Google group said that they had multiple team building activities that they paid for, and their experience with us was thus far the most engaging, bonding, and rewarding. Furniture Repair Bank stands on three pillars: community, sustainability, and equity. And we are the only such entity in Washington and in the US. We rescue furniture from going to the landfill. We repair and redesign those items while teaching volunteers and workforce in furniture restoration. And we're providing those items to people in need: refugees, people getting out of homelessness, youth aging out of foster care, and women fleeing domestic violence. We do it for free through our partner agencies. And the issues that we're addressing are vast. The recent waste characterization study says that there are 70,000 tons of furniture being landfilled annually in Washington state. So we have a good reason to believe that this number is actually way larger because every time we're at the transfer station for only 4 hours, we collect at least 2,000 pounds. Furniture restoration skills are disappearing. Repair shops are closing because there is no one to take over. And it's a big issue we're currently facing, disrupting our communities from self-reliance. And of course, at least 3,000 people are starting their lives over in Washington, and they need our support. Our nonprofit organization is set to actually provide a really significant impact in those three issues. Every month, we are bringing back in circulation at least 5,000 pounds of furniture. We are providing at least 1,000 training hours to volunteers and people who come and visit us. And we help at least 70 people a month. And our numbers are actively growing as we develop and build our nonprofit effort. We started 3 years ago as a small pilot, thanks to the Department of Ecology. Since then, we raised over $500,000, and our funding strategy is really diverse to make sure that we don't exclusively rely on fundraising. Of course, we're tapping into corporate giving programs. Of course, we are exercising traditional fundraising activities, but we are also now developing two business arms to make sure that we're not reliant on fundraising exclusively. And this year, we're launching upholstery paid classes. Can you imagine there is no upholstery classes in Washington right now? It's mind-blowing. This year, we're piloting this effort, and next year, we will get into furniture rental service, catering to home staging industry. We did market research, we interviewed potential clients, and currently we're designing the first inventory with direct input from our potential clients who will rent this furniture from us. Together, we always need volunteers. We need mighty hands. If you have a team, come over. And we're also looking for some funds, seed money to launch our business arms to make sure that our growth is sustainable and solid. And please meet our mighty, amazing, very qualified team that runs on values of resourcefulness, empowerment, respect, and enthusiasm. My name is Zenia Delavova. I'm a founder and executive director of Furniture Repair Bank. So next time your team wants to lend a hand, let me know. And please reach out if you have any other questions.